Hello everyone, I'm Amit from Mail Smartly. In Microsoft Outlook, you can set up rules to create automatically forward emails to a specific folder. This can be useful if you want to keep all emails from a certain sender in one place. Not only that, there are numerous reasons you want to forward emails to a folder using rule function. The reason might be different, but using rule approach is single. In this video, I am going to walk you through step by step method to create a rule in Outlook to forward emails to a folder. Creating a separate folder based on a specific criteria of the emails received in your inbox is very useful. If you want to find a specific mail received from your boss or received from your say investment agent, it is very difficult to find it. So if you create a separate folder with the name of your boss or your investment agent, that mail automatically forwarded to that specific folder using that rule function. That's why this feature is very important and every Outlook users must aware of this smart function. So let's dive in. First of all, click on the File tab on the left top corner of your screen. So under Info, click on Manage Rules and Alerts. Rules and Alerts dialog box appears. So the first here you can see Apply changes to this folder. I have multiple email addresses added in my Outlook. So first of all, you have to select the email for which you need to apply that rule function. So I simply select my first email address. In my case, you can select according to your requirement, or if you have only single email, then this option will only show your single email address. So just click on New Rule. This Rule Wizard dialog box appears. So there are multiple templates available here, but in my case, I have to create my own custom template. So from the bottom, I have to start from the blank rule. So apply rule on the messages I received. I select this because whenever I receive an email in my inbox, I have to apply the specific rule on that email. So I have to select this, apply rule on messages I receive. Click on next. Now which condition do you want to check? So what I have said earlier, there are multiple reasons you want to separate your specific emails to a folder. So you can select any of it. But in my case, I want emails received from my banker. So I just select from people or public group. So as soon as I select this, the same condition added in my step 2 section. Apply this rule after the messages arrived from people or public group. Now, I have to give some additional information to Outlook because I have to mention the name or the email address of my banker here. So when I click on this people and public group, the list of email addresses appears. So I have to select the email address of my banker, which is already added in my contacts. Or in case if you don't have the email address added in your contact, you can manually type the email address here and then click OK. So I just select the email address of my banker. Where is my banker? Here, finance. So select this, double click on it, click OK. Now see the word people or public group, which is replaced with the email address of my banker. Now the next step is I have to click next. So this section asks me, what do you want to do with the message? My vision is clear. I have to move those emails received from my banker to a specific folder. So I have to find this. Definitely there is an option here. Hey, the first option is move it to a specific folder. My option is available on the top of the list. When I click this, again, the step 2, move it to the specific folder is added in the step 2 section. Now here, I have to again give some additional information to Outlook. So I have to click here, specified folder. Now I have to select the folder in which I want the emails to be transferred. So in my case, I have not created a specific folder here. So I have to create a new one. So what I will do, I will click on this new button, select the inbox, name your folder. So I enter the name to banker. I have selected my email address and the inbox. and hit OK. Now see, my new folder added in my inbox section. Simply hit OK. Now here, again, follow your step 2. Apply this rule after the message arrives from email address of my banker and move it to the banker folder. Simply hit next. Now another section appears which is asking me, are there any exemptions? Outlook allow you to insert or inject some exemption also. If you don't want to move that email to the specific folder, you can exempt that email and give the condition. There are multiple conditions, but in my case I don't want these any exemptions, so I simply click next. Now here, finally specify the name of this rule. So I can name the rule by emails from banker. Step 2, run this rule now on messages already in inbox. If you want to shift the existing emails available in your inbox to that folder, you can select this. Turn on this rule, which I wanted, and create this rule to all accounts. So I just leave this also unchecked. I check this because I want the existing emails of my inbox to that folder. I have cross-checked everything. Everything is okay. Now simply hit finish. Now it will take few seconds and a new rule is already created in my rule section, and simply hit apply and OK. Now I will show you my email address. So I select my email address, go to my inbox, and here you can see a new folder with banker available. Now whenever I receive the email from my banker, that will automatically shift it to this banker folder. That's the beauty of Microsoft Outlook. So I have just shown you a single example how you can forward your specific email to a folder. You can use this same feature, same function, same method to move your required emails to your specific folder. I hope you found this video useful. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers video I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.